Hey guys, welcome to Steve's Kitchen again. Today we're going to deal with how to make testosterone naturally. For most men 40 or 50 plus, we will always struggle with dwindling testosterone, and that's because of so many other factors that I will go into next time we do the next video. But this is a very easy way for you to supercharge your testosterone and feel the same way you used to feel when you were 18. So these are the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. Okay, you can see here, I've got baby spinach here, I've got my avocado, I've got my banana, and I've got my 3 eggs, which I'll use there. Give me one sec. Here. I call this my fat shake. So let me show you how I do it quickly. You break the 3 eggs into a Nutri-Blend. Guys, if you don't have a Nutri-Blend, this is a blessing. Nothing is gonna make your life so easy than this. You just have to get yourself one. It just makes it easier in terms of creating food and making sure that nutrients are not damaged. Makes it to be easily bioavailable to the cells. So I break 3 eggs into the Nutri-Blender container. I take a handful of baby spinach. I take, probably depending on how you feel, today I'm going to use more or less like half an avocado. I peel it off, peel this off, mix it in. I take one full ripe yellow banana, I put it in here. And of course, voila, I'm bringing in peanut butter. Take one big serving of peanut butter, that's why I call it the fat shake. And I'll add in roughly 100 ml of water. Take the container on, screw it on, and you know what? Let the magic begin. Having one of this in the morning and having one of this just before you go to bed will supercharge your testosterone, natural testosterone production. Why? Because with testosterone you need what we call NO, nitric oxide. And this is the easiest natural production of that. That's why most people take supplements, but I just use this. To your high teas. See you soon.